Get in there. Uh-oh. Come on, take a picture of me before you get out. Get out of that store. Did you get me in the picture too? Well, let's watch it. Let's watch it. Let's see what I did to her. See if I'm in there.